Okay, so I've taken off the slats of the left side of this so I could use it for parts. When we go up the ladder to rehang the new stuff, I'll clean the old outline. That's not a big deal of a touch-up. I mean, I just need a day that's over freezing to make a light touch-up. I can match this color. And what else did we do? We'll give this a good wipe down. The shutter that we put back on there is going to cover all of that anyhow. There's no touch-up there, but no harm in cleaning it, that's for certain. Also, the back of this is peeling like crazy, and water's going to start getting to that. Water is definitely our enemy. I mean, even though these are cedar shakes, probably it makes them rot. These are in fair condition. They're not in need of a paint job right now. These shutters are in fair condition. These two are not so fair. Like from 1 to 10, I'd give them a 4. And the bottom wood on that is starting to check already, so that'll be rotting out. All right, so I got enough to chew on right now, and we'll use that as a wish list item if you want me to take. If I'm going to take one down, I might as well take them all, because the sun is baking them a little bit and the paint is checking, so that means the water's getting into them. And this one on the left hand side here, it looks solid, but the way that it's dipped a little bit, I bet you I could push my finger into there and the wood is soft. What else? These came off nicely and easily as expected. So did the top one. And I got a whole bunch of slats that I salvaged from the back. So I'll get started on getting these shutters back to how they should be. All right, that's it. Alrighty, so I certainly have enough. I think I have enough. Yeah, I certainly have enough. We're going to rebuild this dude. Strong, nice, and this one was from the backyard. Let's see what kind of stock this uses. Let's see what kind of stock this uses. This uses perfect 5/4 stock. I got to get some more of that. Do I have enough? There's one. There's another one. All right, anyways, I'm getting one more plank. I have to go and get the all right, spit it out. What do I have to go and get? I have to go and get the plastic shutters, 15 by 60 inches. All right, going to Home Depot. Here's the ones that have to be painted. These dudes were going to take these dudes were going to take a scraper, scrape all of this off, palm sand it a little bit, recoat it with fresh paint so that it encapsulate these in paint so that they last forever again. Things will last forever if you paint them.